Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the Mac Island. So it's just only a quick update guys. So for today's video guys, I will show you that I got my 3 IDs already. So first ID is the Social Security ID. So I got my Social Security ID. And then I got my state ID. And then I have already from the state like Tennessee. And then I got my green card. I got my green card already. So for those who are asking, I'm already here in the States with a CR1 visa, converted to IR1, and I will be 3 months this coming few days. So for those who are asking, I'm not yet working. I'm still adjusting here in the States, and soon and hopefully I can have, or I can get my driver's license, so start to the journey. So yeah, that's for today's guide. That's only a quick video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your continued support in our channel, and see you the next time. Thank you guys. Bye.